Sir, the very first question from my side is, what was the most challenging part while working on Wazir?
For me, the most challenging part was to justify the vision that both Vinod sir and Abhijat had for the script, because they were attached to it for a long time. They had worked on it for almost 12 years, and Vinod sir had worked on the story almost 35 years ago. So they came with so much of an attachment to the script. So for me, the biggest challenge was to make sure that what I do to it should be a value add. It should be something that betters their script. It should be something that betters their vision. So the biggest challenge was to make sure that they are happy with what I do.
Okay, then casting plays a very important part in this content and script like Wazir.
Right.
It requires a very good actors. So what was your involvement in casting of the film?
Well, the principal cast, Mr. Bachchan was already attached to the film because it was a English script which Vinod sir had bounced off with him a long time back, where he wanted Mr. Bachchan to play. So when the script became in Hindi and I came into the picture, he was the first person we approached, and he was still gung ho about the part. He was still very kicked about doing that part, and Farhan was definitely someone that I wanted for the part. And luckily for me, he also really liked the script and he wanted to be a part of it. So that worked out that worked out really well when both these principal actors came on board. And the rest of the casting, well, I don't generally work with casting directors. We kind of do it on our own. I have my team, and I personally look into the casting of each and every character. So the rest of the casting, we did it over a period of time, and I'm very happy with the people who came on board. Be it Manav, be it Anjum, be it even John, who came and did a special appearance. All those people, just like I was saying, talking about a value add, they all were like a massive value add to the film.
Okay, directing Mr. Bachchan, how's the experience working with Mr. Bachchan, directing Mr. Bachchan, the Mr. Bachchan, and the director the actor, director Farhan Akhtar, you're directing him.
Right.
How's the experience,
So it was a double whammy. It was not just directing Mr. Bachchan, it was also directing another director who's Farhan. But I didn't let that kind of get into my head, and thankfully they didn't. They were so accommodating, and they really made it comfortable for me to work with them. So for me, it was I had to forget the fact that I am directing Mr. Bachchan. I had to forget the fact that it is Farhan. For me, they were the characters. They were Omkar Nath Dhara and Danish Ali, and all the rehearsal time that we spent made it really comfortable for me. I mean, all the tensions, kind of all the what do you call, anticipation and the curiosity kind of waned off once we kind of got together, sat and jammed on the script. So once on the set, then it was just a matter of just an extension of what we did before. So it became comfortable. It didn't really become a problem at all.
Okay, the promo is really promising. It is appreciated by everyone,
Right.
So don't you think, what your view, especially on the Mr. Bachchan's part,
Right.
he's on the wheelchair, still he's one of the most strongest character. If you notice, if you see the trailer, you
Right.
realize this is the one who plays the entire game in the film.
Nothing like that. I mean, it is chess is just a motive. Whether he plays a game or Farhan plays a game, that's not what really the film is about. The film is it's a suspense thriller with the core of friendship in the center, at its center. But having said that, we wanted to, right from the first promo, which we released almost a year back with PK, we wanted to make sure that the curiosity still maintains, by the time the film releases, because we knew we had a long window ahead. So we wanted to keep that curiosity, we wanted to keep it going. And thankfully, the audiences, with every promo, the curiosity just kept on building. And like you said, you yourself saying it looks promising. That's very reassuring for me. So if the audience feels that, then they'll definitely be coming to watch the film. And Mr. Bachchan in a wheelchair, will right off the bat, right from the beginning, we knew that the protagonist had to be on a wheelchair, and casting Mr. Bachchan, who has got such a strong persona, and limiting him in a wheelchair, that itself was a big task for us to get used to. But he made it completely. He made it his own. The way he went about it, you don't even feel that there is a handicap in the way he approached the role, and that's what was magical about a legend like him. It was he made it look very easy. He made it look like he's been on a wheelchair for the longest time. He made it very very. He made the character very believable. I think that's what was required by the script, and that's what he did.
Okay, a few days back I've done an interview with Mr. Farhan Akhtar, and he said Wazir is more of an emotional drama
Right.
than a suspense thriller. What's your?
I would say it's a good balance of both. It's got a good balance of a suspense thriller, and at the same time, it's got a very good, strong emotional core to it. So it's one of those very rare scripts, I think, which manages to toe the line. It finds that balance between the two, and I think that's what really appealed to me also right from the beginning.
What do you think, will be the USP of the film? Once the people is there in the theater, what do you think will do?
I think the story. At the end of the day, it's a story that's the biggest USP of the film. It's a story that will find the connect, the story that will hopefully resonate with the audience.
Apart from this, there are audience, there are film critics who are also talking about the promo, as well as being Mr. Bachchan part of the film. Mr. Farhan Akhtar is a part of the film because the content looks really strong.
Right.
What's your view on that?
Well, it's my own baby, so I will only say good things about it. But I'm glad that the audiences look at it like that. I'm glad the critics are also looking at it like that. So hopefully, like I said, the anticipation is still there, and hopefully the film justifies their anticipations too. So I'm really looking forward to seeing how the audience samples it, how the audience responds to it. The initial feedback that we've been getting from the test audiences has been very positive, very good. So now I'm just kind of very eager. I'm like this little school kid who's waiting for the holidays to start. So I'm just waiting for the film to hit the screen, so that I get to know what the audiences think.
Okay, was it the very first film to the theater, the big film? Are you nervous, excited?
Nervous, not at all. Excited, yes. Excited, just to, like I said, to see the feedback. Nervous, not really, because at the end of the day, I know that it's not a film that you can just watch and dismiss. It's a film that will stay with you. It's a film that we're all very happy with. At the end of the day, sometimes you make something and you wonder, kaise hoga? How will it be received? But this is a film that, throughout the making of it and finally when we saw it all, we were all very confident and charged with it. So we were all very happy with the way it turned out. So now I'm just waiting to see. I'm excited.
Okay, apart from this, there are also news. This is something out of Wazir, there is Shyam Benegal who's coming on board for the censor board. What's your view on everything is getting revamped? What's your...
I think that's a great decision, and Benegal's and someone that we all look up to as a filmmaker. I know that having him revamp the thing itself, it's a big step in the right way, in the right direction. So I'm really looking forward to again things changing, because I think it's high time we take the censor board a bit more seriously than the way it's been handled in the last couple of months. So I'm very happy with the decision, and I'm really looking forward to what will happen in the future.
So congrats for your marriage. How's life changed post?
अरे अभी हुई है शादी है तो एक हफ्ता भी नहीं हुआ है so I'm too many good things, too many big things are happening at the same time. So I'm just in the process. I'm like in the whirlpool of all that right now. So the marriages happened a couple of days ago, and now the movie is releasing next week. So I'm just I'm kind of zoned right now, just jumping from one thing to another.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.